You're such a king. You're such a good boy. And you're the most cutest baby in the world. I love you. He's such a good boy. See, I'm a rescue kitty. I'm a rescue kitty. That's why my ear's been cut. Because I was trapped and neutered, only I wasn't released. Because he was too cute. He's such a good boy. Bambi. You're my good boy. You are so tough. Oh my goodness, you're so tough. Get that paper. Get that paper. Yes, you're such a tough boy. Good boy. Get that paper. Oh, he says, that's mine and nobody can have it. See, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get that piece of paper. Oh, will you let Mommy get it? Will you let Mommy get it? I'm a good boy. Okay, here we go. Oh, Thurston. Oh, it's coming after me. Here, you ready? Go get it. Good boy. You're so silly. That's my macho bear. Now, if I were to try to take that from him, it's his toy. Bite my face off. Let me see if Mommy can have that piece of paper. You let Mama have the piece of paper? You let Mama have the piece of paper? Oh, can I get it? No, I'm too scared. Oh, Bambi, don't mess with him. Goodness gracious. Good boy. See, get that paper. Good boy. Good boy. So silly.